Hey there, Rhonda Schaefer here from Fairport, New York. Thank you for watching this entire video today where I will be talking about less is more in affiliate marketing. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when I go live and create valuable content just like this for you. The eighth struggle for new affiliate marketers is limiting the number of traffic strategies that you use, whether it be YouTube or solo ads, something else. Be like a medical specialist. Get good at one thing, make it great. Stop listening to all the webinars about this is the latest and greatest strategy. It will just get you confused and overwhelmed like it did me with the huge volumes of information. I had to do it because I was getting nowhere fast. So cut back on how much information you receive by unsubscribing from the relentless emails and videos to stop the overwhelm. Pick one person who implements one traffic strategy and listen to them. Have a coach and a mentor who will personally guide you and help you with tweaking your efforts to become the expert at what you do. So, what I've learned at this point is that I need to take action daily and stop worrying about the outcome. When I started, I worried about the what ifs. What if people don't believe me? What if people don't like what I say? What if I don't get leads? Well, you just cannot have that kind of mindset. It'll freeze you up, I guarantee it. So now I've learned that what I did in the beginning was different than what I do now because I learned, and I'm learning at what I can do better. I always look back to see where I make mistakes so that I can learn from them and do better. So know it will work if you work it. It does take time, it does take practice, and it does take some patience. So I hear a saying that makes a lot of sense to me, and it's learn, do, teach. And remember that less is more. With that said, this is Rhonda Schaefer coming to you from Fairport, New York. I hope you have a fantastic day. And remember to click on the red subscribe button and leave a comment below. Have a good day.